What a delicious treat! I know! It's really cool! A chocolate cake. I love you. What is it? I definitely won't eat it. Ew! Well. Let's take a look. Jennifer was not lucky at all. Yeah, but she has to do it anyway. Oh, that is horrible! Let's give it a try. Whoa! Hey, Rose, look! It's so delicious. I can just… Hey, what's happening? Smile, Jennifer. Put the camera away! Hey, my phone! Yeah, there you go. This is where it belongs. What have you done? My favorite phone! Oh. Wait a little. This is delicious. I think she's lost her mind. She's cool. Look at her. Oh, and here is my phone. It was so delicious. And it's my turn now. Look at this golden bar. I want to try it as soon as possible. Oops. My teeth. Okay. How do I cut you off? Like this?
Ew.
No? Okay, I have a better idea. Ta-da! Whoa! What was that? I wonder if she's okay, bud. Well, she's not here. Oh. Hands off! That's a pity. We almost did it. A potato? Hello? Is anyone there? Jennifer, this is funny. I have something more delicious here, and it's all mine. Wow, that's a cool jar. What an interesting treat. Wow! So beautiful! And incredibly delicious. These golden chips are awesome! I love it so much! Look! I'm a duck! That's so cool! Yeah, funny. I want more and more! Oh, I ate everything? This cannot be happening! My hand! Wow! It's golden now! And I've got some crumbs left. I'll use them for a makeover. It turned out very cool. Look, girls. Does it suit me? Yeah, definitely. I'm so tired of her. Well, I guess it's my turn. What should I do with you? Although, I have one idea. First, peeling this potato. What do you think, Rose? Well… Okay. It's so unusual, but I can handle it. I just need to be patient. It's so much fun. Jennifer is eating raw potato. Ew. Really disgusting. How do people eat that? Yeah, it's disgusting, but it's my turn. Whoa! Are these chocolate chips? It's so good. Moving on. I just fell in love with this flavor. The next one? Oh, what's that stink? Disgusting. Smells quite normal. I'm gonna throw up. Whoa. Chips with frosty freshness. Whoa! That is so cool. It's incredibly cold. Well, what do we have here? Spicy chips. Yeah. Wow. Oh, Jennifer. Wow, I finally got lucky. Awesome. What about you girls? I'll try a little bit. Wow, delicious milk. Horrible. How can you even drink that? It was great. Wow, I've got an idea. Here is my trash. That's what I need. An empty jar of chocolate paste. We open it and pour our milk inside. Now, mixing everything thoroughly. And I can drink it. It's so much better now. Come on, Rose. It's your turn. I know. My cocktail looks really stunning. Let me start up with marshmallows. Delicious. And the cocktail is just awesome. Yummy. Oops. Help! Cool. Rose is stuck. Hey, I'll help you. Whoa, my lips. It's very swollen. Leslie, it's so delicious. Oops. Who's next? It's the queen's turn. Starting off with gold. What? It's unbelievable! Hey, Leslie! What are you doing? Please stop, that's enough! It's mine! Whoa.
Ew.
That was weird. That's it. Wow, it's so beautiful. A whole box of goodies. Looks like it's going to be delicious. I love you. Just noodles? Why me? Wait, it's dry? Poor Jennifer. Well, that's fine. Let's get started. These sweet spaghetti are just awesome. But I know what we're missing. I need some sweet sauce. A little bit of chocolate. And now I can give it a try. This must be so delicious! Wow! It's amazing, girls. Super duper dry. I can't even imagine how it can be eaten. Okay, I don't have a choice anyway. Ugh, the most disgusting thing I've ever eaten in my life. Hey, Jennifer, give it to me. We need to boil those noodles. Then, adding some seasoning. There we go. Smells amazing. Bon appetit! Am I supposed to eat this? Okay, let's try it. Doesn't look promising. Ew! Disgusting! Here's my perfume. Much better. Well, okay. It's my turn. Whoa! Oh. It will be more convenient when I use my hands. That's real gold! Awesome! I'm the most beautiful girl in the world now!
Ew.
There is obviously something wrong with her. Ah! Ridiculous. Guys, make sure to like this video, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!